What's up, guys? It's Jose Zuniga from Teaching Men's Fashion, and for today, I am on a quest for, just getting rid of, just being basic. You guys are my friends. I don't want you guys to be squares. So today, my goal is to show you how you can take a basic, simple, bland outfit and make it super stylish. Let's hop into it. The first thing you can do to make a basic outfit look more stylish is to show off a little bit of skin. Women do this all the time. For example, let's say you're going with the basic tee and you made the mistake of not buying an essentials tee, which is the best, most perfectly fitting shirt in the world. One, I forgive you, and two, you can still salvage that basic t-shirt. All you want to do is roll up the sleeves a bit and boom, just like that, you've turned that basic tee into a muscle tee that fits better and shows off a little bit of your gains, which makes you look more stylish. Or on the other hand, let's say you're wearing a regular button down like a flannel or a dress shirt. Easy. Unbutton a couple buttons without looking like a douche or a tool. I would say 2, 3 at max, and roll up your sleeves. All of a sudden, you're showing off a little bit more skin. You look more attractive. You look more stylish. The second thing you can do to grab a basic outfit and make it look more stylish is just to wear jewelry. Jewelry is considered by both men and women as accent pieces. They're there to emphasize, to kind of spice up an outfit, and again, take it from that bland, boring to more stylish and attractive. And no, you don't have to do it. You don't have to stack chains. You can take it very simple. If you notice me in all my videos, I'm not always overdoing it with jewelry. It's always super minimal. You want a TMF approved brand? You guys already know. Rose Gold and Black is one of the best brands out there when it comes to jewelry for guys. They are a partner of our show, and I am glad they are. Not only do they support us to create and pump out all this quality content for you guys to help you guys not be square and basic and make you more stylish, but also they deliver such a stylish and quality product that I get the emails, I get the messages. You guys love this stuff, and once you actually receive a piece, you see just how great they are and why I hype them up so much. So what I suggest for those of you that have been hesitant, that let's say you haven't taken the step of trying to wear jewelry in your outfits, you feel uncomfortable, you think it might be too much, take it easy. Check that link down below. That's our special link to the Rose Gold and Black page. That link is heavily discounted. So everything you're gonna see on that site is gonna be discounted as opposed to visiting the site originally. And that's something that Rose Gold and Black just for us, the TMF family, so you can buy some of the stuff a little bit cheaper. But once you go on the site, take a look at the list. Everything that's there has been hand selected by me. They're pieces that I personally have in my collection that I absolutely love and that I feel make my outfits just look more stylish, make me go from basic to stylish. Go through that list and see what you like. I say you start with one item and wear it for a couple weeks. See how it makes you feel. Does it make you feel more confident? Does it make you feel more stylish? If it does, bingo bango, then you've hit the jackpot and you could start building your accessory collection. That way you can start composing more stylish fits. The third move you can do to take your basic outfit and make it look more stylish, add some sort of jacket. It doesn't matter what type of jacket. Your denim jacket, a leather jacket, a bomber jacket, suede jacket, a varsity jacket, or even a vest like this. It doesn't matter what it is. You can take any basic outfit, hence this, throw a jacket over it, and just like that, you took that basic bland outfit and made it more stylish. But this rolls me on to tip 3B, which is a continuation to that, because I can already see the comments, but Jose, I live in a hot area. I'm not gonna be wearing a jacket just to look stylish. Hey, I feel you. It doesn't necessarily have to be something thick. Just, again, adding that extra layer is what your goal is. So it could be a vest like this that's not warm, or you could throw on a light cardigan, or you could even throw on a flannel over a t-shirt. At the end of the day, your goal doesn't have to be a jacket, add a layer. The fourth thing that you can do to make your basic outfit look more stylish, cuff up your jeans. If you want an instant dash of style that only takes about 30 seconds to do and it's completely free, by the way, if you answer no to that, I'm a little disappointed. Regardless, all you really have to do, cuff up your jeans. What this does is it instantly tailors your denim, hems it up to give you that streamlined look without any bunching at the bottom. Not to mention, it shows off a little bit of your personality, almost a dash of style when you cuff up your jeans, because your average guys aren't doing that. And finally, number 5 is all about how you walk and carry yourself. At the end of the day, money does not buy style. If you walk with confidence and like you don't care, you can make something as simple as a t-shirt, jeans, and sneakers look stylish. Celebrities do it all the time, all because they walk with confidence. So when you walk Don't walk almost shy, hunched over, looking to the floor. Make sure your chest is always out, you're looking up ahead, you're making eye contact with people, and you walk with a pep in your step. You do that, you're always gonna look confident. You're always gonna look stylish no matter what you're wearing. And that's basically it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Those are the top 5 things that you can do to take your basic outfit and make it more stylish. If you guys liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, don't forget to check out our sponsor, Rose Gold and Black. It's gonna be linked down below as well. That's it for me today. See you next time.